Have you ever wondered how some people are with slim faces, snatched jawlines, and they look so magical? And no, I'm not talking about those with plastic surgeries and Botox. I'm talking about girls who have managed to get a slim and defined face naturally. Yeah. And no shade to girls with puffy face, but let's be real, having slim-toned face makes you appear more younger. So today we're going to talk about how to lose all those face fats and have the snatched model face. Few months ago, I felt very insecure of how my face looked. It looked so puffy, like I had neck rolls, this fat flesh that hung below my chin, and I felt like a zero. So I took it upon myself to look for ways to get rid of the double chin and puffy face. I found so many tips, both effective ones and the ones which were a complete waste of time. But I'm here to share the ones which really helped me snatch my face. Before I tell you the tips I implemented, it's only wise to tell you why you have that double chin and puffy face in the first place. So, as many of you know, the first and major reason why you have a fatty face is because of extreme weight gain. In fact, to know if someone has put on extra pounds, the face is the place to tell you so. This actually explained to me the reason why all these girls who have a snatched face had one thing in common. They were all either slim and toned or normal weighted. And honestly, that makes sense because when you lose body fat, you lose fat that has been deposited in every part of your body. So the first tip to naturally lose all that double chin is to lose body fat. And you don't need to do all those exhausting exercises to lose fat. Simply walking 6,000 steps each day can help you naturally shed off some pounds. But is it always body fat? This one actually hit me by surprise when I found out that even though I wasn't really fat, I still had a puffy face. It turns out it was all water retention, the silent enemy. Like, I had water weight all over my face and I thought it was fat. It turns out that when you eat foods which contains excess salt or sodium, it retains water in your body, but why? So, that brings us to tip number 2, eat clean. If you're a PCOS girly, then you know best to not eat foods which are going to spike your cortisol and insulin levels. When your cortisol level rises, you automatically gain fat in your face, arms, neck, belly, and others. So for starters, start with low-carb, high-protein, and fiber diets. Protein and fiber stabilizes your insulin levels. Then go on a gluten-free diets. I know you love your bread, pasta, and sodas, but those foods are the ones turning your face into an inflated balloon. They cause inflammation in your body. Then again, quit sugar completely. Yeah, I know it's going to be hard, but trust me, it's going to be worth it. Focus on fruits, whole foods, and veggies. Your face will literally transform into a Victoria's Secret model. Then let's talk about one tip that took my jawline game to the next level: facial massaging and lymphatic drainage. I know you've probably seen this all over TikTok, but if you're wondering whether it works, it absolutely does. Understanding how lymphatic drainage drastically changed my face was something I couldn't fathom. It turns out that your body stores fluid toxins in all parts of your body. And so there are some lymphatic nodes you have to massage to help the fluids get drained. Hence, lymphatic drainage. So to drain all the fluids from your face, you first have to massage your lymph nodes, which are around your armpit, neck, and the back of your ear. Then after that, you go ahead to massage your face. The massage isn't done anyhow. There's a proper way of massaging the face, and I'll show you one full massage you can do daily to help drain your facial fluids. Try this every morning and you'll see results in a week. If you have any other magic tips you use to snatch your face, drop it in the comments if you're a girl's girl. Don't forget to like. See you next time. Ciao!